Okay guys, so basically I got 1 fingers of ripe banana. I'm gonna make a ripe banana and cinnamon tea. This can help you to sleep better at night. Give this a try. So I got 1 finger of ripe banana soaking into some baking soda water. All right, we got cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder, got 1 cup of water. This is the water we're putting on the cooker. All right, just don't use any more sleeping pill. Every night I've been using sleeping pill. No more sleeping pill as from tonight. I got the medication for sleeping pill. Ripe banana and cinnamon. All right, wash off your ripe banana into some white baking soda water. All right, soaking it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cinnamon stick, we're gonna break up the cinnamon stick into it. That's the cinnamon stick. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon